Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. Today I am making a special gift for my dear friend Donna. And Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club has organized this collaboration for us. And Donna's favorite color is green. So I'm gonna make her a trinket tray, and if I have extra resin, I've got this lotus mold that I'm gonna use as well. So I did dust the edges of this mold with emerald by this little piggy. I've mixed up 6 ounces of resin, and I got to use my new Let's Resin debubble machine. So let's see, my resin now was at 91 degrees, and I decanted. So I decanted 30 ounces over here, just over 20 in this one. I am going to put TLP lily pad in this one, and I'm going to use Julie's bloom paste in this one. So 30 ounces, 3 drops. One, 2, 3. That'll get us going. Now, for the TLP, I wanted to use a nice light green. I'm just going to use about that much. Pigment powders go quite far, or mica powders go quite far in resin. So that's going to give that a lovely green color. And once I get done mixing, I will put them in my piping bags and get that going. Get that going. As I'm getting my things together here, as I mentioned before, we are celebrating Donna, and there are lots of people who are celebrating Donna. And you know why? Because she is an amazing friend. She is such an inspiration to everyone in the art community. She helps support everyone not only on their art journey, but in their personal journey as well. And I'm no exception to that. She is a wonderful friend to me. I've only known her for about 3 years, and she's just an amazing friend, confidant, and as I said before, amazing teacher and artist. So she has been on this planet gracing all of us for 70 years, and I hope she continues to do so for many more years to come. And I was finally able to meet Donna when we went to PourCon, and that was, what, 1.5 years ago now. And then she was also able to come visit me in Phoenix this past summer. So my friend Donna is a lover of green, a lover of plants, especially trees. Now this isn't going to look like a tree, but it'll look like a green flower in the end. And this will be winging its way onto you, my dear. So there are lots of people in this collab. And before me was Holly Fisher of Holly Fisher Art. And then up after me is Taz of Tazlima Maya Art. So make sure you follow along. I will put all the links, I'll put the link to the playlist below. And if you're in the live chat, just follow us along. I will have Taz's link posted in the chat and in the description below. So keep watching. This is blooming nicely, and I am just adding in some twigs into my flower here. And yes, I did purposefully do it off center. do this one first. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes! Yay! Oh, that is so nice. Look at it. I'm trying to bring it up close without getting the light on it. Oh, it is gorgeous. And you can still see the hint of the green there in the petals. It's not overwhelmed by the backing, but yet highlighted by this rim too. Yay! Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, very delicate. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes! My figure eights. So I wasn't sure what to expect really with this one because I did the eights kind of all over the place, and then I put the white figure eight over the green, but not exactly over it, and so I wasn't sure how it would turn out, but it's still really cool. Next time I might try it in a more thought out way. I don't know how I would do it. Maybe put them one on top of, like, do a white, a green, a white, you know, like alternate them. That would be a fun experiment. And I am really, really liking the TLP Athena. It's got a gold look to it in some directions, a more copper look in others, a pinky look, and a purpley look. So it's got a little bit of everything. Oh, I like it. Look how cute. Well, I think they're pretty good. So Donna, I hope you have a magnificent 70th birthday celebration. And this will be winging its way to your casa. So congratulations again. Here's to, I don't know if we could make 70 more years, but here's to many, many more years. And thank you for your amazing friendship and your dedication to the arts, and just for being there for all of us in the art community. So big hugs, big kisses to you, Donna, in Hollywood, California. Over and out from Kim out in Arizona. Bye.